Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this juicer from Silvercrest for making fresh fruit and vegetable juice. This assembles for easy cleaning brush included, with 2 speed settings, 400 watts and 3 years warranty. It is a basic model, so let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With 1 meter of cable. At the base we have this silicone rubber. It will stay very secure at any surface at your countertop. Included we have the brush for cleaning. Included we have the pusher. It goes at the top and just press. The 2 levers, and you can remove the housing lid, transparent, and inside pull we have the filter with cutting blades on the bottom. The drive shaft, it rotates. The pulp container, you can remove that and clean it. The outlet for the juice. And of course we have the on-off switch. First speed, second speed. And it is very easy to install everything back. So let's move on for testing, see how it works. I like the transparent look, you can see everything when it's working. We have some leakage at the extraction, not the best results. Well, that is why the basic model is called perhaps. Beyond that problem, the benefits are freshly extracted juice retains nutrients, fiber, and natural enzymes, making it a great choice for healthy lifestyles. Time saving, enable fast juicing with minimal preparation, easy maintenance, quick assembly, disassembly, and dishwasher safe parts streamline cleaning, which encourages regular use. The juicer provides a convenient way to integrate fresh juice into your daily routine. With a robust motor, versatile speed settings, and user-friendly design, this juicer is both powerful and practical, ideal for anyone looking to boost their intake of fresh fruits and vegetables in an easy, efficient way. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.